And welcome to the super fun, awesome, happy time pedal show. My name is Gabor and it's time to unbox a big box. This big box. And there's a thumbnail, maybe. So the awesome people at Mono Creators are sending us, or have sent us, this pedal board. And we're going to build a studio board or channel board, I don't know, one of these things with this pedal board. And there may be other things in there too, so let's just open it up. Let's see how this is going to work. This is big. Open. You won't see me for a while, but you see what's in it. Oh. What's in it? Tell me, what's in it? There's a big pedal board and, holy moly, there are also some pedals. So let's get the pedals out. Okay, and let's get the board out. So this is, I believe it's a medium size mono pedal board, which will live probably here in my studio, or we'll take it to Alex's sometimes too for, if we do, for example, guitar demos and stuff like that. Come on. Yes, the medium board in silver. They said, we only have it left in silver, do you mind? And I said, no, not at all. Okay, so this is the mono pedal board, medium in silver. It's nice and light, it's cool. So yeah, we're going to put together, actually, what's something you would like to see too? We were sort of thinking maybe all Australian made stuff, or maybe, I don't know, fuzzes only, or just a demo board with all the stuff, with some of the stuff, our favorite stuff that we've, or maybe like an ambient board, I don't know. What would you like to see? Let us know in the comments below. So that's that. And then we also, the same people that do mono bags and this mono board, they're also the same people that make Teisco pedals. And we have 3 Teisco pedals that came with it. We've got the interface, the fuzz, and a distortion. Now, they asked which ones would you be interested in. I said the fuzz because I know my friend Ryan from 60 Cycle Hum, he loves this fuzz, and I wanted to see if Ryan is right or Ryan is wrong. So maybe we'll start a hashtag, Ryan is right or Ryan is wrong. Let's see if we can open this up. And then I'll do a quick plug it in and first impressions. Ooh, for a universe of fearless music explorers. Well, there you go. Is that on all of them? Yes. See? Okay. There you go. For a universe of fearless music explorers. So this is the fuzz analog pedal. Let's get it out and see what it looks like. It's white. Ooh, it's got a manual too. Oh, and a sticker, look at that. But for this, as always with unboxings, there's a manual and a sticker. But as always with unboxings, first impressions, no manuals needed. I think the interface is a whole different ball game, but they do look really cool. That's the fuzz. We did a video of the delay, which you can watch here a little while ago. That was lent to us by Melinda, our friend Melinda, who, you know, if you watch the show, the whole Parts Master Caster Blaster Body thing, that Melinda. Okay, so that's a fuzz. Let's open up the interface, but we're not going to do first impressions on that because I think there's a little bit more work involved. But interface, I think, just meaning it's an easy way to plug in to your computer, so for maybe live use and stuff, so you have buttons you can use. But we'll check all that out. There'll be full videos on all these pedals very soon. Sheesh. All right. That came up much easier. And that. Okay. So that all comes with a USB cable. Comes with 2 USB cables. That's a USB-C. They're both USB-C. And a manual. Whatever these things are, little feet or something? I'm not sure what they are yet, but I'll work it out. And a manual and another sticker, which you won't use today, because we don't for these things. Back in there. But I've got to say, they're very cool looking pedals. Ooh, almost dropped that one. I love the graphics. Come on. I love the graphics. I love the way they look. Just the shape of them, the unique shape. Very, very well done, Teisco. It's like their old guitars. I love the old 60s Teisco guitars. Just the weird and wonderful shapes. Now let's keep all this stuff together. Let's be neat. It's good sometimes to be neat, people. Fuzz, interface. And last but not least, the distortion. I've heard a lot of things about this distortion pedal, so I was very keen to try it out. So the fuzz purely because Ryan really likes it, and I thought, I want to check it out. I want to see if he's right or wrong. Because Ryan, there's a DoD fuzz he doesn't like, and I think it's good. So this one now, or distortion, that's that side. Okay. Haha. Again, it's got these little, I wonder what they are. Oh, they may be to protect little switches. Oh, I think they're maybe to protect little switches on there. Or something. I don't know. Manual. Sticker. And that's the distortion. So we've got the distortion. We've got the interface. And we've got the fuzz. Very cool looking pedals. So, the distortion and the fuzz, let's do quick first impressions. Alright, so I'm all plugged in now. I've got the fuzz and the distortion. I've got my Sire H7, Larry Carlton, I think that's called Larry Carlton Burst or Carlton Burst. Killer guitar. That's going through the pedals into the Mozztronics Amp Switcher, which is here, which has the Marshall Origin 50H selected. I just usually like that one when it comes to distortions and overdrives and stuff. I like the sound of that with them the best. Then it goes into the 2 Notes Torpedo Live. Into that I've got an Engel XXL 4x12 Pro cabinet and a Greenback 4x10 cabinet. There's links to that below. They're both Celestion Plus or Celestion Digital. I'm not sure what it's called now, one or the other. There's links to them below, affiliate links. So if you want to support the channel, you can click on the link. You don't have to buy those particular cabs, but if you buy any kind of cabs, after clicking at that link, you're helping out the show. Okay, so the clean sound into the Marshall with this Sire is suchly. So as you mentioned, then from the 2 Notes Torpedo, it goes straight into my Audient RD44 interface and straight into Logic. So, you know. Okay, now that's the clean sound. Let's start off with the fuzz. I guess gain is all the way down, levels all the way down. Let's put everything, it's sort of usual 12 o'clock. Well, let's start with the gain down because it probably is quite a crazy fuzz. And let's turn it on. So that's with the gain all the way down. Can you see the knob on the white on white? It's a bit hard to see maybe, but That's all the way down. Makes a big difference. Okay. So I guess with the octave and minors, it's more of a straightforward fuzz. With the octave and plus, it's an octave fuzz. Wild. All right, that's the fuzz. Like I said, full video coming up shortly with Alex and, you know, different guitars and all that sort of stuff. This is just a quick first impression. Okay, distortion. I love the way these look. I love the design of it. So here you'll probably see the knobs a bit better where they're facing there. White on white is probably a little bit tricky, but okay, so what do we have? We have level, gain, tone, presence, more. I always like more. Muscle and tight. And 2 switches. Oh, that's more. Okay, so it looks like a boost, I guess. So let's start with that. That sounds great, just that. And let's see. Let's roll the gain down a bit. With the gain fairly low, let's crank the gain. Okay, it's noisy, but okay. Tight switch. So I guess this gets rid of a bit of pop. It sort of thins it out a bit. Okay, well, there's a muscle switch too. EQ voice signal. The tight switch, the palm muted stuff comes through much better because it gets rolls off some bottom end. Not sure what muscle. Maybe gain, bit of extra gain? We'll find out. Okay, more. Okay, now first thing, can you use more by itself? Yes, you can. So it's a boost basically, I think. Right, okay, so that's a boost you can use on its own. So now let's try that with the well, that was the quick first impressions of the two Teisco pedals. This one, because it's an interface, so you got to use it with software and stuff, that's a different sort of thing, so there'll be a separate video on that. But there'll be full videos on those two pedals coming up very shortly with both me and Alex in it, and more guitars than just this one. There will also be a video, maybe a bunch of videos on the mono pedal board, whenever that's going to happen, shortly. Yeah, let us know, like I said below, what do you want us to do? What kind of pedal board should we put together? Just give us some ideas. May or may not have some Teisco pedals on there too. Let's see. Big thank you to the awesome people at Teisco and Mono Creators. Thank you so much for sending that stuff out to us. Yeah, if you like what we do, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell, and then you get notified when these videos come out. There'll be a video on this guitar soonish too, soonish, and all the other Sire stuff. Big thank you to the good people at Sire. Big thank you to the good people at Mozztronics, Andrew, for sending me the amp switcher. Audient ID44, Audient people, Studio Connections Australia, thank you so much. LEWITT microphone, LEWITT people, thank you so much. Teisco Mono Creators. I think I bought everything else. So thank you so much for watching this, and see you next time. Bye.